Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use zoom on HONOR MagicBook. Use zoom, you need to go to the settings, then go to accessibility. Now you'll have the magnifier, and now you can just enable it. Once you enable it, you can see it's on. As I move my cursor, it moves. You can see as I move my cursor to the edge, it just moves faster or slower depending on how much I move the cursor. So it just follows it. See here's the window for magnifier, so you can turn it down, turn it up again, and so on. You can also click on that to reset zoom to last preferred magnification. Then you can play or pause.
Magnifier.
It'll play the reader, so it'll read something out loud. Then there are also other things, but I'm gonna close it for a moment, because you can also, instead of doing that, you can click on Windows and plus sign on your keyboard. And as you can see, it turns it on. Of course, to make it bigger, I need to click on Windows plus again, or Windows minus to make it smaller, as you can see. And to turn off the magnifier, you can do that by clicking on X or by Windows escape, and it'll escape it. And that's how you do it. You can also change the zoom increment. For example, instead of by 100%, you can increment the zoom level by a different value. So now, as I increment it, it increments by 50%. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.